So that's pretty much, example D. It's, simple, but the main thing to see is that we're shifting by that eighth note, okay? So instead of starting on the beat, we're starting on the upbeat this time. Let's take a look now at letter E. Letter E is cool because what I'm doing is I'm taking that pentatonic scale and I'm breaking it up into 4-note blocks. Okay, so you see these 4-note blocks? So let's just do the right hand. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. Just keep the fourth, keep going back to the thumb. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 on C, second finger on E flat, middle finger on F, fourth finger on G. And I go to thumb on E flat. Now notice what I'm doing here. I slide back and I can get my thumb here. If I play like this and then you don't want to do that. You don't want to, remember, like anything that looks crazy, it's probably wrong, okay? So I can move my finger back and forth on this key. You should be able to see it from the overhead as well. So I can move back and forth on this key. Right? They're usually pretty slippery, so it's easy. I can also do something like this where I just kind of rock my finger back so that I can get my hand into position. All right? So same thing here. See how I can get back into position for that F? You basically have this position here and then the position up on the black notes. So we kind of keep going back and forth between the two. Now, I don't have to really necessarily move my back. If I do move my back, I move from my hips. I'm going to talk about that a little bit more in a different section in this DVD. All right, so make sure you take a look at that, posture and the other concepts. Now, obviously, you can go up, you can go down. I'm not going to be able to show you all the different permutations of this exercise. Remember, you can also do something like, okay, so if this, think of it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can come up with a different pattern. Say 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? You can come up with some crazy stuff here. So like 4, 3, 1, 2. Whoops. So now you see how you can come up with all these different pentatonic patterns just by taking 1, 2, 3, 4 and rearranging the numbers.